big news that's coming in right now, the big boost that the BJP gets right before the UP elections. The former Kanpur top cop, former Kanpur Commissioner Asim Arun joins the BJP right ahead of the UP elections, and that seems to be a big boost for the BJP.
Well, yes, Sucharita, a lot of political reactions and developments have been taking place in the run-up to the upcoming Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections. This new induction also now making headlines. Let's listen in to Asim Arun himself. Listen in.
मुझे लोक सेवक की भूमिका में देखा जाए और लोक सेवक का एक वृहद मतलब है क्योंकि राजनीति की जब बात करते हैं तो सामान्यतः हम और आप समझते हैं कि सत्ता प्राप्ति के लिए जो एक्टिविटी होती है, क्रिया होती है वो, लेकिन लोक सेवक के रूप में समाज की समस्याओं का निवारण, इसमें बहुत सारे हमारी स्वयंसेवी संस्था भी काम करती हैं, व्यक्तिगत रूप में आप और हम भी काम करते हैं। तो अब पुलिस की नौकरी से मैंने सेवानिवृत्ति ले ली है, आज मेरा अंतिम दिन भी है और आज पार्टी ज्वाइन करने का पहला दिन भी है।
पर सर, अभी आपकी जो पुलिस में सेवाएं थी वो अभी काफ़ी समय उसमें बचा हुआ था, 8-10 साल उसमें बचे थे। 9 साल आप चाहते तो उसके बाद भी आप आ सकते राजनीति, मतलब ऐसा क्या रहा, क्या ऐसा वहाँ आप नहीं कर पा रहे तो जो यहाँ पे आके आपको लगता है कि आप और अच्छे से कर?
बड़ी अच्छी बात आपने कही। पहला तो ये अवसर दिया जाए असीम अरुण को, ये पार्टी के शीर्ष नेतृत्व ने सोचा और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सबसे बड़ी बात यही है कि बहुत कल्पनाशील है और उस कल्पना में जो कल्पना मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ वो मेरे बारे में कल्पना पार्टी ने की और मुझे ये अवसर दिया कि इस बारे में सोचिए। बहुत कठिन चॉइस मेरे लिए थी क्योंकि मैंने खासकर सोचा ही नहीं कभी, और ये केवल 1 जनवरी से लेकर 8 जनवरी के बीच प्रस्ताव आना, विचार विमर्श होना और संशय मेरे सारे दूर होना, और 8 को मैंने फिर पोस्ट किया कि मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी ज्वाइन करूँगा VRS लेने के बाद।
What we'll do is we'll try and pick up a few political reactions on the same, and for that, Anila Singh of the BJP is also, Sucharita, joining us on the phone line.
Yes, Anila Singh joins us on the phone line. Anila ji, the Samajwadi Party is hitting out at the BJP on Asim Arun's induction into the party. Asim Arun, a top cop, and he's been the Kanpur commissioner. But Akhilesh Yadav saying that he will be going to the election commission.
So Akhilesh Yadav ji can go to the election commission because Asim Arun has not done anything against the law. He has taken the VRS, and after VRS, he can do whatever he wants to do. There are no rules and regulations which tells that there should be a compulsory cool-off time. So after VRS has been accepted by the government, by the central government, he is free to do whatever he wants to do. And there is absolutely no doubts about it. If you see his career, he has a fantastic career. Even his father was a top cop and one of the renowned police officers of his time. So he has a legacy and very honest, very hardworking, and like his father, even he has dedicated his life for the services. And I'm pretty sure now he is with us, Bharatiya Janata Party family, and he is going to take Bharatiya Janata Party to much more new heights. We are going to cover with him.
Absolutely. Anila Singh, and that's what the political scenario is looking like as of now in Uttar Pradesh, isn't it? Samajwadi Party going ahead and questioning how the former Kanpur top cop has joined the BJP ahead of UP polls. But the BJP too has been picking on several such issues. Like, for example, the defections that have taken place within the BJP. So many crossover turncoats to the Samajwadi Party now.
It hardly matters. You know, few of the people who were with us, like 3 of the ministers and a few of the MLAs, if they have switched over the sides, it doesn't matter because number one, they do not come from a core team, core cadre, I can say, not team, but core cadre. And, they are like that, hopping in, hopping out. So they hopped in a political party. They were there. Now they felt that, yes, in this political party, even if you are the part of the government, you cannot do corruption, you cannot do any sort of appeasement and all. Perhaps they might be feeling a little claustrophobic. So they switched over the side. But, people vote for Bharatiya Janata Party because of its ideology, because of its work, because of its nationalism. So that is why I am pretty confident that UP people are going to stand with Bharatiya Janata Party once again in 2022 elections because we have shown that we respect faith, we do work, we do not do appeasement.
Well, Anila Singh, when Asim Arun joins the BJP, he said people joining SP do riots and people joining the BJP catch rioters. Maybe that is the reason Akhilesh Yadav is miffed, and Akhilesh Yadav had something more to say earlier in the day. Let's listen.
हमें उम्मीद है चुनाव आयोग निष्पक्ष काम करेगा, गुजरात के लोगों को वापस भेजेगा। ये अधिकारियों की जिनकी शिकायत की, जिन्होंने लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के बनकर के काम किया, और जो अधिकारी, क्या नाम था जो अभी बीजेपी में शामिल हुए, जो अधिकारी, मैं चुनाव आयोग से इस बात की शिकायत करूंगा कि पिछले 5 साल में असीम अरुण के साथ जो अधिकारी लगातार ड्यूटी पे रहे हैं, लगातार जिन अधिकारियों को ड्यूटी पर अपने साथ लेकर के गए, पूरे 5 साल के नौकरी के कार्यकाल में देख करके जो लगातार उनके साथ रहे हैं, उनको भी हटाया जाए, वरना वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता के रूप में काम करेंगे।